In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a school calendar to your Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your school's events showing right alongside your own, so you never miss an important date again. First, you'll need the ICES link provided by your school. An ICES link is a standard calendar feed, sometimes called an iCalendar URL. You can usually find it on your school's website or in a parent or student portal. When you locate it, copy the full URL exactly as it's shown. It often ends with ICES. If your school marks this link as private, treat it like a password and don't share it publicly. Next, open Google Calendar on a computer. The subscription feature works best on the desktop version. So head to your web browser and go to Calendar. Google.com. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account where you want the school events to appear. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right to confirm you are in the correct one. On the left side of the screen, find the section labeled Other Calendars. Right next to it, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open a menu of ways to add calendars. From that menu, choose the option that says From URL. This tells Google Calendar that you want to subscribe to a calendar feed hosted online, rather than importing a one-time file. Now paste the school calendar URL into the field provided. Make sure you include the entire link you copied earlier, with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Most links will start with HTTP or HTTPS. If your school offers multiple ICES links, such as one for athletics and another for academic events, select the specific one you want and paste only that single URL here. Finally, click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will fetch the feed and subscribe your account to it. After a moment, you'll see the new calendar appear under Other Calendars on the left. The events should start populating your main calendar view. If nothing shows up immediately, give it a little time. Some feeds can take a moment to sync. Because this is a subscription, updates made by your school like new events or time changes will flow into your Google Calendar automatically. You'll be able to view these events alongside your own schedule, keeping everything in one place. That's it. You've successfully added your school calendar to Google Calendar using the ICES link, all without manually entering a single date. Thanks for watching.